What's up? It's another video. Um, I don't like. Sorry, guess you're just not gonna see me. Um, yeah. So I guess a daily market video. I added a new position. I don't really know why I added it at. Let's see, 38, and we're a bit above 38, so I'm up a little bit, but not like that really matters, honestly. I bought it because of so basically I so there are some influencers I follow. One of the influencers liked this stock and I was like, okay, let me look at it first. And I looked at the volume profile, like where large transactions are, and I really liked where all of these transactions occurred. So basically, a lot of these, like they happened here, some happened here, but mainly like in this area. And I think this is an accumulation area. Then we broke up. Someone bought here. You can make the argument for distribution. Um, or you can make the argument for buying a breakout, right? Then we consolidate it for a little bit. Now we're above this buy or sell. But I think it's obvious that these should be considered buys. You can consider this a sell if you want, but yeah. And then if you zoom out, it also looks good. I mean, obviously it's a bit all over the place. This looks like a sell. Maybe this was like a re-entry, right? Like they knew it was going to go down. Then this is a re-entry. I don't really know, but it could be an exit of this long, but it doesn't look like many people have exited yet since there's a bunch of transactions, right? So then I picked up a little bit, and if it runs and then consolidates again, I'll pick up more depending on the dark pools and stuff like that. This stock still hasn't done anything. Honestly, earnings are coming up, so I kind of speculate that all of these transactions are maybe like people like front running the earnings. I still think these are buys just because I would have expected to see a transaction up here if it was a sell, but maybe they're being tricky. Who really knows, honestly, but these transactions to me are pretty bullish, so I'm gonna stick with my bullish thesis, and I'm gonna hold it into earnings. This stock, I've been down on this stock for a while since I bought like right here. Then it went up, then it went down. Now it's like closer to break even. I do need to check the volume profile actually, so let me do that. Yeah, so personally, I think this is accumulation. I would have, I mean, I think it's obvious why it looks like accumulation, so maybe price will go up from there. So that looks good, honestly. Then arrow, let me see arrow. Yeah, alright, so I did talk about my previous videos how you could make the argument for this being distribution. But I think it's obvious that this is now accumulation, and now we have price running up. So where will it consolidate at again? Who knows? But I think this should be considered accumulation now, not distribution. Just like here, you could have considered this accumulation or distribution until you actually saw the run up, and then this was obvious that this was accumulation, in my opinion. Same thing here. We have our price running up, so this was probably accumulation. So I'm just gonna let it run for this. Let's see. Yeah, again, this kind of reminds me of another reason why I picked this up was this stock reminds me of see let me see if I can do like an overlay. Like this looks very similar to me. Like we have a run up, then we have accumulation in these areas, then we have another run up, right? Personally, I don't think this has run up as much as CJ, right? Like we went up a lot higher, so I do think this stock has a little bit more to go, personally. But my validation, honestly, it will be hard. I would maybe put it below here, but even that's a 20% drop. So I'm really hoping I will probably have to, I'll either have to set like some super tight stop, which I probably would get stopped out, or I'll have to experience some pain, right? And that's why I had a lower entry, right? I mean, I guess 22, but if you look here, this was 45, 20, 25, and 15. I mean, these are all low entries, and then whenever they do good, I dollar cost average them up, except CCJ because it's pretty much just been a straight line up, so there hasn't been any really good place to like dollar cost average, right? Yeah, that's it for the stocks, honestly. One thing I am looking for is a silver short. I know shorting parabolic stuff like this is risky, but I do have, yeah, so this is silver, even though it says S&P. Basically, we're at the 100th percentile for runs over the past 30 years. Not 30 years, I don't know, like 25 or something. Yeah. Um, and I'm kind of looking for a short, but I want some like confluence, like maybe if there's a big dark pool activity, then I would actually enter my short. But like a lot of risk metrics say that this is pretty overextended, blah 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 blah, right? There was a good print on, there was a number one print on silver miners, but if you zoom out, you'll be seeing a bunch of prints. So it's like, and it's like they all kind of look similar. So it's like, I don't know, honestly. Like, let's say, what is this? 8 million. Then this is, I mean, this literally could have been accumulation and now like a long exit. And a long exit isn't really a short, but like I just kind of want to see more conviction, I guess. Like maybe if there was a big print on silver or something like that, right? Like I don't think this is good enough for me personally. I would want like a number one print, but I mean, what is this? 120 million? What is this? 200 million. Yeah. Like if we get like a big print like that and it's obvious, then I'm just gonna short with it. I mean, like, can you really sit here and say that these are all shorts? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's kind of crazy what silver's doing. But that was it. Yeah, thank you for watching.